What we're going to do today, we're going to work on an all natural press powder. You know how you go to the store and you're trying to find your complexion press powder and you get it home and it's not the press powder that you want. So some all natural ingredients that you guys can pick up from the grocery store in here, guys. This is rice flour right here, and I'm going to use a teaspoon of cornstarch. Teaspoon of cornstarch, and I got a half a teaspoon of rice flour in there, guys. And the final ingredients is going to be cocoa powder, guys. So depending on how you want it, so I'm just going to do a half right now. And guys, you do need alcohol. You guys need alcohol, and you're also going to need a old cosmetic container. So now I'm just mixing it, guys, till I get to the color that I like. And if you guys had some ginger, like if you feel like this would be the cocoa powder, you want it a little lighter, ginger would be great too. So, of course, that's too light. So now I'm going to add more cocoa powder. So do it step by step, guys. Don't do too much at a time, because then you don't want it to be too dark. So I'm just gonna mix until I get the desired color. Still look like it's too light for me. I'm gonna add another, because it still look a little too light. Just keep mixing it till you wind up getting a color that you feel comfortable with. So guys, I don't want to run up a lot of memory, so I'm just going to keep mixing until I get the color that I desire. I'll be doing videos off my phone because I gave away my computer, and it takes up a lot of memory. So once I get the color that I'm looking for, I'm just going to keep adding cocoa powder till I get that color. Then we're going to go to the next step. I'll come back. Guys, so I kept mixing, and I have the color that I will be comfortable with, guys. So now I'm going to do just a little drop, and this optional, guys, of glycerin. One little drop of glycerin. One drop of glycerin in there, guys. And that's cosmetic grade glycerin. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to start putting it in this compact. Put it in there. And I'm going to use some alcohol, guys. Spray a little bit of alcohol. After I put that in there, spray a little bit of alcohol. So now I'm going to continue to mix this up. So patting it down, guys. Patting it down. Patting it down. Patting it down. I'm going to spray again with my alcohol. And I'm going to pat this in, guys, and smooth this to the consistency where I am comfortable with it. And we're going to let this dry overnight, and we'll get up the next day and it'll be all ready to use. So I'm going to keep patting this down, and once I get it smoothed out, I'll come back. Guys, so now that I have everything down in there, patted in like I want it, everybody do theirs different. I spray my little alcohol on top, guys. And now I'm going to take this is a clean paper towel, and press it down in there, guys. Press, press, press. And we're going to let this dry overnight. And tomorrow, guys, we will have, you see how the color? Tomorrow we will have pressed powder. So just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. If you guys are tired of going to the store and not getting the mix that you like, make your own pressed powder at home, guys. So make your own pressed powder at home. So clean up everything. Let me get another clean paper towel. And we're going to let it dry. And tomorrow, guys, we will have pressed powder. So if you guys see, and I'm just pressing it down in there really good. This is what's going to hold it together, guys. Give it a nice press. And tomorrow, I'm going to have pressed powder, guys. So I wanted to bring this to you guys' attention so you guys can make your own pressed powder at home. So you guys see, it's going to dry and it'll be ready to use tomorrow. We're going to let it dry overnight, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.